And for your information, tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, now my presidential council, me and my colleagues, we are going to meet the Chinese guilds and associations, comprising 27 guilds in our headquarters KL. So tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, I go to fly out. Okay. So on top of that, the second issue, of course, I need to share with you. I need to tell you that before Chinese New Year, in fact, when I was still wheelchair bound, I still could remember that I had been approached by the fishermen association in Selangor, and one of the major concerns they raised was for the Zone B, because in English they call it Zone A, B, and C, right? Zone B fishermen. Zone B fishermen, in fact, they have been grappling with the acute shortage, or rather the difficulties in hiring local helpers, because they need to have more helping hands on board the vessel, and they couldn't, literally, in fact, virtually they couldn't, or they could hardly hire the locals, and they are in dire need of hiring some helping hands, and currently, they are still not allowed to hire. To my understanding, they are still not allowed to hire any foreign labor, unlike the Zone C fishermen. Zone C, just for information, Zone C literally refers to our territorial waters beyond 12 nautical miles from the shore. Zone A is within 3 nautical miles from the shore, and B is in between. So you could see that Zone B, they have yet to have such liberty now to hire foreign labor. So I brought up this issue to the authorities concerned, and I do understand that this is now one of the issues being addressed now by the authorities concerned, concertedly, and me too. I had the privilege of exploring some of the viable options now with my colleagues, cabinet colleagues, and in fact, while we are in the midst of phasing out our dependency on foreign labor, now in fact, perhaps to strike the right balance, now one of the possible options is to allow them to hire, I say possible option, yeah, is to allow them to hire the legal foreign labor from the existing pool. Not that you are trying to bring in newcomers, no. We are now still exploring that, yeah. Because I don't want people, sometimes when they are ill-informed, people might jump to, wrong conclusion. Because currently this issue is being studied constantly, and certainly it is in progress.